In this video, we are unboxing the RLC 823A 4K PTZ PoE camera with person and vehicle detection, and guiding you on how to install and set it up quickly. Open the box and you'll see the RLC 823A and other parts needed for installation and setup. This PoE camera is made smart with person and vehicle detection, and you can just enjoy peace of mind with no false alarms and no fees. Boasting the 360-degree pan and 90-degree tilt feature, it provides an extremely wide view to monitor your world, and can even lock onto intruders to capture a complete recording of their movement. The RLC 823A comes with 4K 8-megapixel Ultra HD resolution, holding the potential to capture additional information compared with others. Featuring 5 times optical zoom, it provides every detail in 4K without damaging its clarity. 4 pieces of infrared LEDs around the lens make sure you can still see clear after dark, even at a distance of 60 meters. The camera also adds 3 pieces of spotlights, so it can capture full-color images in night mode. With mic and speaker, it supports 2-way audio. A micro SD card slot can hold up to 256 gigabytes micro SD card. It also comes with features including IP66 certified weatherproof for outdoor protection, integration with the smart home system like Google Assistant for hands-free control, and stunning time-lapse for dynamic videos of long-term events. And here's a cable with 3 connectors: the network port, power port, and reset button. The RLC 823A is easy to power on and set up using the PoE technology. Connect your router to a PoE switch. Then connect the camera to the PoE switch via an Ethernet cable. To set up the RLC 823A, open the Reolink app. Then follow the in-app instructions to finish the initial setup. Now you can check the live view on the phone and get person and vehicle alerts. For the camera to fully function, you'd better install it outdoors. Put the mounting template on the wall. Screw the camera base to the wall at the indicated locations. If you're installing the camera on drywall or masonry wall, you may need to drill holes and then install the anchors provided into the indicated locations before screwing the base. To protect the camera from water intrusion, you may use the provided waterproof lid. For better image or video quality, please avoid facing the camera directly to sunlight or glass windows, and avoid mounting the camera in places that are too dim or too bright, or where rain or snow can hit the camera lens directly. For more about installing and using the RLC 823A 4K 8-megapixel PoE camera with person and vehicle detection, visit support.reolink.com.